Our bank was set up in this new environment in 2005 and started operations since. And it's one of the leading banks and pioneer in the Kurdistan region. It's the biggest. And in Iraq, it's one of the major banks, if not maybe the second one. We expanded rapidly in terms of deposits, in terms of all aspects of financial structure, profitability, growth, and capital. We just, in fact, last week we doubled our capital from 150 billion Iraqi dinars to 300. And the requirement by the central bank is 250 billion Iraqi dinars. And we expect, to have more work and participate in a lot of joint ventures in cooperation with international companies and international banks. And in fact, we expanded our correspondent relationship with a lot of international banks in Western Europe, the Gulf, America, and so on. And we are hoping to diversify our products and services. Just recently, we signed a new contract with MasterCard in order to give new products more and to diversify geographical locations, to disperse widely in the country. And also we also have a Visa card. We imported over 100 ATM machines, and we started installing them in a lot of malls, city centers, and so on. And in fact, our profit this year compared with last year has been doubled almost. And we expect to go on this line. And since we are, although we provide comprehensive banking services, but we are investment-oriented bank based on Islamic banking. We do a lot of joint ventures, musharaka, murabaha, and mudaraba. All the cars you see, taxi cars, have been imported by us from Japan and replace a lot of people, find good opportunities for employment, to scrap the old cars, and this will have a good effect on environment. It's an environment-friendly project. And we also started to import not only just taxi, but medium and mini buses. It's already on sale.
So just to put the record straight, you are an Islamic bank, or you
an Islamic bank? Yeah.
Purely Islamic.
Pure Islamic. Of course, we do all comprehensive banking services. LG, LC, and so opens. We are expanding this line. It's very important, and as well as joint ventures. We always observe compliance first with the regularity instructions by the central bank of Iraq, by the registrar of companies, and also compliance to Sharia board in our bank. I think the new Basel instructions emphasizes the importance of capital as to increase of the gearing up of the structure of your capital, in relying more on your own resources rather than on outside finance in order to get the capital adequacy ratio, which is very important. So in this case, we are fulfilling a major part of this amendment or agreement to have a sort of highly geared structure, so increased capital, instead of outsourcing or borrowing or something.
Swaps.
Swaps or whatever it is. And in all aspects, we observe a capital adequacy ratio always. So really, we have high, so well above minimum, and we are trying. This is why to expand whenever the opportunity arises.